up, y'all? It's your boy Dominoes 7. I want to welcome y'all to the Dominoes 7 show, okay? Alright. It's super windy out here, you see? Yup. It's hurricane force, you know? Hurricane Isaac, yes indeed, you know? So anyway, hoping everything be alright though after this, you know? It ain't nothing like Katrina though, you know? I wonder if Bob Breck and Carl Argando, Foxy, and all the other news gonna watch this, you see? Cause you know I do shows on YouTube, you know. Yes indeed. And and it's raining on this camera too. Right there, Columbia Park, see? Whoa, the rain came on me. But anyway, I'm gonna stop this tape and I'll probably be right back, okay?